Restore virtual machines running on ESXi hosts and vCenter servers effortlessly with iDrive BMR. Click Restore on the menu bar and go to the VMware Restore tab. In the ESXi section, choose between VM Restore or File Restore. For a VM Restore, add the ESXi host and VM details. Choose Recovery Point. If you want to create and restore to a new VM, choose the ESXi host, enter the VM name, select the data store, and click Restore. A new VM will be created. Note, you will not be able to undo this operation. In the pop-up window, click Continue. View the restore progress in the Activities section. You can enable VM Restore and File Restore on your vCenter servers too. For File Restore, go to the vCenter section and click the File Restore radio button. Add the ESXi host details, mount credentials, and click Create Mount. Once the mount is created, you will receive a notification. VM Restore and File Restore are available for both ESXi and vCenter.